In today's video, we're going to walk through how to build a welcome email flow using Omnisend. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you run an e-commerce store or you're building an email list, a welcome series is one of the most important automations that you can set up. When someone subscribes to your email list, that moment is when they're the most interested in your brand. If you don't guide them towards the next step, that excitement can disappear very quickly. A welcome flow helps introduce your brand, build trust, and encourage that first purchase. So in this tutorial, we're going to break down what a welcome flow is, why it matters for e-commerce brands, and then we're going to jump into Omnisend and build it step by step. Let's get into it. So Omnisend is an e-commerce marketing platform that helps businesses manage email marketing, SMS campaigns, and automated customer messaging from one place. Instead of sending emails manually, Omnisend allows you to create automations that run in the background. These automations trigger when a customer performs a certain action, such as signing up for a newsletter, viewing a product, or making a purchase. A welcome flow is one of the most common automations used in e-commerce. It's a sequence of messages that automatically send to new subscribers after they join your list. The goal of the welcome flow is to introduce your brand, explain what makes your products unique, and guide new subscribers towards their first purchase. Because subscribers are usually most engaged right after they sign up, this automation can become one of the highest converting parts of your email marketing strategy. So a couple of key features I wanted to quickly mention. They include pre-built automation templates designed specifically for e-commerce stores. These templates are great because they provide a starting point for common workflows such as welcome series like we're going to do, abandoned cart emails, and order follow-ups. They also have a drag and drop email builder. So the visual editor allows you to create email layouts by adding blocks for images, text, buttons, and product listings. You can move these around super easily. It's very intuitive. They also have subscriber segmentation. So segmentation essentially allows you to group subscribers based on behavior or interests. For example, you might create segments for people who clicked a certain product category or subscribers who joined through a specific lead magnet. This just really helps keep things organized and allows you to go ahead and be very specific in your messaging based on their behavior. Lastly is the multi-channel messaging. So they support multi-communication channels. In addition to emails, you can also send SMS messages or push notifications to subscribers who opt in. Within a welcome flow, this is so powerful because it allows you to mix different types of messages. For example, the first message could be an email introducing your brand, while a later step could include a text message reminding the subscriber about a limited time offer. Okay, now let's go ahead and set up a welcome flow. If you don't already have an Omnisend account, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below, and using that link will actually enable you to save 30% off for the first 3 months with code EcomMastery. You also can get access to a free trial as well. Okay, so we'll go ahead and log in or go ahead and get signed up if you don't already have one. So now, just to give you a brief little overview, we've got our dashboard, we've got goals, overview, live view, we've got campaigns over here, we've got automation, forms, all of your audience, and then reports. So we're going to go ahead and click new workflow. You can start from scratch or you can go ahead and use one of their welcome sequences. So this one is an email one, and this is greeting your subscribers with email and SMS. Okay, if you want to just filter by it, they've also got some other things as well, like greet your new subscribers with a friendly email and encourage them to purchase after sign up, or Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and check these out, you can click them. We're going to go ahead and start from scratch just so I can show you how to do this. Define how a person enters a workflow. Maybe someone enters a segment. So maybe the segment is, I have all these free lead magnets in here. So maybe it's a, free Notion dashboard. Okay, we'll go ahead and click save. So that is the trigger. As soon as someone enters from this specific segment, then they will be triggered into this workflow. You also can have multiple too. So if you want all your lead magnets to go to the same welcome flow, you can do that too. You don't have to have a specific one. So if you're delivering a lead magnet, you'd probably want to, at least have something where it's like, here's the free thing, right? So we're going to ignore that step for now because we're just going to go into what the actual email sequence could be to nurture your audience. So what we're going to do is go ahead and add a delay, and we're just going to do maybe like 60 minutes. So again, this is keeping in mind if we already delivered the lead magnet automatically right away. We don't want to bombard them with too many emails. So I would at least wait 60 minutes to send the next email, or you could even do the next day. Now we're going to go ahead and do an email. Now subject line, this is where we'll want to do something like welcome, who we are, what your brand is about. Welcome to our community, first name. Okay, add a pre-header. You like get to know us. I would recommend having your first welcome email again after you've already delivered the thing, and go ahead and again tell them a little bit about who you are, why you started your brand. People really love to know your why. It helps them connect, even if it's like a global brand rather than just a personal brand. Again, it really helps people to really get to know who you are. Okay, and then you'll go ahead and edit the content, and you'll go ahead and enter in, sender's name, and then you can go ahead and customize the email from here. Okay, then we'll probably want to wait maybe 2 days so we can add another delay, maybe 2 days, and then we'll go ahead and add another email. After we've got our story and kind of our mission, next we'll want to do maybe like brand philosophy or values. So again, I'm pretending this is more of like a clothing brand. We'll obviously want to rephrase this into something. Discover our brand's philosophy. Okay, let's add a pre-header. Again, we're really nurturing them so they can get to know who we are as a brand. Go ahead and update that. You'll obviously want to customize the email. Then we'll add another delay. Now, maybe we want to give something to them, whether that's tips and tricks or a discount or something like that. Again, it really depends, but we want to give them value. We've told them about who we are, what our values are. Now let's give them some sort of discount or value for being here. Okay, again, we'll go ahead and, enjoy 10% off. Okay, we'll go ahead and rephrase this. Cool. We'll add a little pre-header. Okay, and then you'll go ahead and write that email update. We've said, what our story is, our philosophy. We've sent them a little discount. Maybe next we want to do social proof. So bestsellers and social proof. We'll go ahead and add another delay, maybe 3 days. Again, we don't want to bombard them, but we also don't want them to forget about us. Email, bestsellers, social proof. Okay, maybe we, again, just kind of some social proof, their best sellers, and maybe even reminding them, hey, your 10% off expires or something like that. Okay, and then maybe our last email, again, we're going to go ahead and add a time delay, maybe 2 days, and then an email. And then maybe this one is a little bit of a harder push because, again, we're nurturing them and we don't want to be too pushy up front. We want them to really get to know us. And then slowly but surely, we can do a little bit more of a hard sell after they really know who we are. So maybe this is like a little welcome gift. We give them an extra bonus if they purchase something from us. Okay, you'll obviously want to add the subject line and the pre-header, and then we'll go ahead and update. Then now this works in the background. So we've really warmed them up to who we are, what our values are. We've given them a little discount, talked about what our best sellers are, and then we've got a little bit more of a harder push to be like, hey, if you purchase something in the next 24 hours, you'll get this free gift included with your purchase. Okay, so as you can see, again, we're warming them up slowly, getting them to know us, getting to know, our best sellers, who we are, and then again, that little harder push at the end. So again, there's not one magical workflow. It's really about figuring out, putting something together, warming them up, getting them to know you, giving a little bit of a hard push, and then you have to go back and look at analytics, see what's working, see what's not. Maybe you need to adjust something. If, someone purchases immediately, great. If people aren't purchasing until the very last email, not that that's a bad thing, but how can we move that forward a little bit? Okay. So using the analytics to actually critically think so you can actually adjust and again, increase your sale, increase your conversions. Okay. Now that you understand exactly how to set up a flow, again, you'll just click start flow and then you can go ahead and see all of the analytics. Now that you understand it, let's talk about the different plans and pricing options. So again, you can use our link down below and then you want to click that link because it'll allow you to save 3 months up front. Okay. So it depends on how many contacts you have. The pro plan is up to 500 contacts and this is just $11.20 per month and that's paid for the 3 months up front. Okay. If you have more contacts, that will increase a bit. So just some things to keep in mind. Then we've got the pro plan. This is best for high volume senders aimed at adding extra power with SMS. So this is $41.30 per month, paying the 3 months up front. You get unlimited emails, 2,500 contacts. So that's the minimum. You also get account expert, forms AI, and advanced reporting. Then they also have a custom pricing plan. So you can go ahead and contact them directly and just get more info from them. Again, it depends on how big your your email list is and how much you're sending depends on the kind of plan that you need. So again, you can always grow with it. So you can start with the standard and then increase when you need to. If you run an e-commerce store and want to build stronger relationships with new subscribers, a welcome flow is one of the most valuable automations you can create. Omnisend can be a great option for brands that want email, SMS, and automation tools inside one platform. The visual builder and templates make it so much easier to launch campaigns even if you're new to email marketing. On the other hand, if your list is still very small or you only send occasional newsletters, you might not need a full welcome automation yet. In that case, focusing on growing your subscriber list first may be the priority. But for many e-commerce businesses, a well-designed welcome flow becomes one of the highest performing marketing assets. Getting a new subscriber is exciting, but guiding them toward their first purchase is where email marketing really starts to work. A thoughtful welcome flow introduces your brand, builds trust, and helps new subscribers understand why your products are worth exploring. And that's what an Omnisend makes that 100 times easier. So if you want to check out Omnisend, don't forget to use our link down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you build and grow your e-commerce business with clear step-by-step tutorials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.